So you gotta pew pew, boom boom, crick boom, cha cha cha. Bass drop heavy, drum them attack. Now you bring it fire from Africa to New York. Hear me now. So you gotta pew pew. But what you really gonna do when the drums start beat and the truth come true? So you gotta pew pew. That now make you righteous too. Put down the fear, build something new. Drum them speak, justice we seek. No Babylon pressure can't make I weak. Rasta stand firm, power in a speech. Me see the man them flex with a weapon in a hand. But strength is more than making people understand that fear is the currency Babylon sell. While the youth them need knowledge fi break out a shell. Me say educate, elevate, organize. Open up the mind and recognize the lies. No need for glorify violence and war. Build up the community that has strength for sure. From Kingston town straight to the continent, African drum beat with a message well sent. Now you bring it thunder, bassline deep. Wake up the people from Babylon sleep. Tell them can't buy wisdom in a no store. Can't buy courage with a weapon at the door. Real power come when the people unite. Stand for the truth and defend what is right. So you gotta, but what you really gonna do when the drums start beat and the truth come true? So you gotta, that now make you righteous too. Put down the fear, build something new. Boom, boom. Bassline shake up the ground. High heart kick like the clock countdown. But me nah bow when the pressure come round. Me build with the people, foundation strong. Money in the mind but wisdom in the heart. Knowledge is the weapon when the system traffic path. You get skills, you get vision. Turn every obstacle into a new mission. Me say might make noise in the street, but consciousness make Babylon retreat. A book in the hand and a dream in the eye that can change a generation, that can make nations rise.
What you gonna do?
True.
Coming true.
Drum.
Your heartbeat sound.
Rise.
Let the people know.
Me nah glorify gun, me glorify creation. Build up the youth, strengthen the nation. Agriculture, science, art and education. Entrepreneurship, economic liberation. From Africa we rise with a brand new vision. No more division, no more submission. Community wealth and cooperative mission. Black excellence with divine intuition. Rasta no fear, but what's the use sense? Courage and wisdom is the best defense. If Babylon push me, push back with truth. Give knowledge and purpose to the African youth. Who have the power?
We have the power.
Who have the vision?
We have the vision.
Who build the future?
We build the future.
So what you say? Jah guide highway. Boom. With the pinky drum a beat. Boom. Truth can't face defeat. Boom. With the pinky drum a beat. Boom. Thunder roll across the mountain. Lightning flash over Zion Gate. Righteous hearts keep persevering. Love and wisdom elevate. So you gotta, but what you really gonna do? Can you feed the hungry? Can you teach the youth? Can you build a future where the people speak truth? So you gotta, that now make you strong. If you want liberation, then you better build along. Boom. Drum for the people. Boom. Bass for the nation. Drum for the nation. Boom. Wisdom for the youth. Truth and elevation. Boom. Be afraid. Rise. Jah light shine through. Boom. Jah light shine through. Pinky drum a beat. Boom. Jah light shine through. So you gotta pew. Me ask again, what you gonna do? Boom. Jah Rastafari.